Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add mobile frame to your video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. So I'm going to click on video, and then I'm going to select new, and then you can choose a video you want to add mobile frame to. And I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to add this video. Okay, I'm going to adjust the canvas, guys. Wait. Alright, and to make the process faster, I'm just going to cut my video. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to show you how we can add mobile frame to this video. We can go to the PIP, and then to get mobile frame for our video, we can go to the InShot material, select material, and you're going to select the picture category. In this picture category, we'll get mobile frame for our video. You just need to scroll down until you find the mobile frame that you like. Okay, and for the mobile frame, I'm just going to choose this one, guys. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to download the frame. Okay. Alright, and wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas again. I'm going to adjust the canvas according to the mobile frame. Okay. And then I'm going to make the mobile frame align with my video. So I'm going to extend the mobile frame like this. Okay, then you can customize your video. You can adjust the size of your video like this. You can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, I think it looks perfect, and this is the final result. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to go to the InShot material to get the mobile frame that you like. Or if you're not satisfied with the mobile frame on InShot, you can download the mobile frame from the internet and you'll be able to add it to your video on InShot. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add mobile frame to our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.